everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, check out my life story in the description below. It's short, I promise, just so you can get to know a little bit about me. If you are returning, welcome back. So as promised, here is the sealing and staining video. We are starting off with sealing the butcher block countertop. We picked up the sealant at Home Depot, I believe, and it just says apply with cloth. But I found it more challenging than it looks because the wood was catching my cloth a lot and it made it hard to wipe easily. But with some determination, we got through it, and I actually love how it turned out. The wood soaked a lot of the oils up in an instant, so I had to reapply many times, but I did end up only using 75% of this bottle. The first chunk is complete. You can see the difference between the sealed and the raw wood, and I noticed even as it dried, it still had a really nice tinge to it. What I was doing here was dusting off the wood shavings and debris off before I sealed it. For those who don't know how stain works, all you do is just brush it on with either a brush or a cloth. I prefer a brush, and then you wipe it off with a rag. Make sure you are wiping it all off, as it does take a long time to dry if you leave it on just as a base coat. And this is how it looks after it's wiped off, and we absolutely love it. So let us continue. So for those who don't know me, I worked as a painter for 5 years back in the city, and it was a trade I enjoyed a lot. It was a time to think. I met a lot of fun people, experienced different situations. It was awesome. So I just love transforming a room with colors. It's a really fun hobby and job for me. This is the end result of the staining project. I have tons of minor work still to do, like inside drawers and touch-ups. However, I love how it turned out. We are just missing our candles and we are in business. I am still going to do a whole kitchen tour, so please stay tuned for that video. We still have a lot of minor work to do, as most renovations do. At the end of this video, I do a quick varnish over the cabinets, and that just protects the wood of damage, especially the drawers because we open and close them a lot, and of course the cabinets as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you here on my channel.